In this video, we will show a minimal web interface needed to use the Heroes platform at user level. The Web UI prototype has been generated using React.js. All features rely on classical REST operations managed by the Heroes API. This gives to the final user the freedom to use the UI presented here or create their own solution to access the Heroes platform. Additionally, the provided solution can easily be containerized to be deployed alongside the other elements of the Heroes platform. Now let's jump to a demo of the final version of the Heroes portal. In this demo, we will show you the user interface created to interact with the Heroes platform. The first elements that the user sees when logging in the portal are a list of the latest jobs and newest buckets. Left side buttons drive us to other parts of the portal, such as data management. Here, the user can navigate and operate on the existing files and folders. The next functionality to show is the workflows. From this menu, the user can visualize the list of all submitted workflows with some information, which can be extended by clicking on an entry. Workflows can be submitted by clicking on Create a new workflow. The user has to select an available template, which are a set of predefined next-flow jobs provided by the administrator. Other execution parameters needed as input from the user are memory, number of CPE, time limit for the execution of the job, the bucket and folder to store the data, and set a job name to identify. The decision module needs two extra parameters, which are the policy used by the UI to do the prediction of the most suitable cluster to run the workflow and the parameter to rank the results. The decision module returns the predicted cost, time, and energy with some levels of confidence. Here we are showing different results provided by the UI depending on the policy selected. Now, with all the information given by the decision module, the user can choose the most appropriate cluster and submit the workflow. Outputs can be visualized in a VNC node. To reach it, select the node from the combo box and how to open the remote window. Once the node is connected, type the password if needed. As the example is the result of an OpenFOAM execution, we will use ParaView, an open-source post-processing visualization engine. Navigating into the folders, we can reach the case.foam file in the subfolder where the third and last process of the workflow generated the results to see the output of the calculation of the aerodynamics of a motorbike. Once the results are loaded, we can see the motorbike selecting the complete group in the bottom left panel. The color scheme represents the pressure that the motorbike suffers during a ride. In summary, all the operations that the user has to do in order to generate a new workflow, review it, and visualize the results can be done in the web browser, providing a complete user-friendly experience. In this presentation, we have shown a prototype web interface generated to interact with the Heroes interface at user level. Thank you for your attention, and do not hesitate to contact Heroes Tim for any question.